Ojos. Wait there. So we pay home the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. So today, we have to continue the beautiful Chitisika. Today is a mindfulness sati.
今天我们接着要介绍是美心所的第二个美心所，就是念三层。
Apilapana lekhana sati asamosana rasa arekha pechupatana visaya bimukha bhava pechupatana va thira sinya padathana kaya disati patana padathana va. So this apilapana lekhana, no? Apilapana meaning is pilapana is a floated. Floated meaning that sometimes you are paying the anapana object, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Sometimes, you are bored, your mind bored. Sometimes your mind are floated, cannot know the breathing in, breathing out. This is called pilapana. This mindfulness is not like that. Apilapana. Apilapana is a non-floating. Non-floating meaning is very firmly can take this object, breathing in, breathing out. This is called the characteristic of the mindfulness.
刚刚禅师呢说明了这个里面的超现实处的法律文。那请大家看到讲义的这个293页，最后一行倒数第一行就是念。那么这个念的特项，这边没有，就是巴里面提到就是就是指这个心呢，它不会漂浮不定，就是还有就是第二就是我们的心漂浮的时候呢不定，就没有办法对所缘很清楚。念的不同于这个念呢，它是不是漂浮不定的，这是一个解释。另外一个呢，就是念有保护的意思。当我们的心呢，在观初入行的时候，心会有心跳的时候，我们就不会清楚的觉察到这个初入行。而念呢，就是要保护我们的心，会清楚的知道初入行。
So today you are practicing the meditation, meditation object. Breathing in, breathing out, rusi, chusi, right? Ruchu. No, this is a mujao. This is an object. So this object, because of mindfulness, you know this breathing in, breathing out always. Like the rock slab submerged deep under the surface of the water. So very heavy the rock, you can put into the water. Other than this rock, very heavy rock, they sink under the water. In the same way, because of mindfulness, your mind are firm in the object.
今天呢，大家在这里练习这个初入行。 练习这出入息，就是知道吸气吐气，那这就是修定的这个属于。那为什么可以知道呢？就是因为念，也就是清清楚楚的知道记得这个念，就是这样子的这个念清楚的知道所缘。就像这个石板子，石头的板子呢，掉落到水里，它一定是沉下去。就好像我们的这个心呢，可以因为有念了，就会安住稳固的在我们的所缘上。
Today, teaching Chuchua. Today, teaching Chuchua. Chuchu. Because the mindfulness is very important. Therefore, this Anapana meditation we call Anapana Sati Bhavana. Anapana Sati Samadhi Bhavana. Anapana Sati. Anapana is a breathing in, breathing out. Sati is a mindfulness. Anapana Sati Samadhi Bhavana. Here you are mindfulness, you can get the Samadhi. Now this meaning.
今天开始学这个应该这个入出息念的这个那看到的就是入出息，那么它就是念，接着下面是什么？就是止禅，这个意思啊，阿那巴那萨提三那塔巴瓦那，就是入出息止禅的修习，也就是说。透过这样子修习，知道入出息，清清楚楚的有这个念的成就呢，就可以念可以成就得到这个禅定，得到定。
So in the Pausauji book, page 535, paragraph 6, no, 535. Paragraph 6, no. So Sawaji is play, no. Area. Area is yesterday. Saddha also area. Area is a faculty. Faculty meaning is there's a leader. Area is a leader. So this area meaning is in their respected department they are leader. So like yesterday, the confidence Saddha is which department? The confident department, he is a leader, Saddha. Now this Siddhi is in the remember department, he is a leader. Different department. No?
我们我们现在就有时候禅师会提到说，排沃萨的记就是排沃禅师的注解这个念的地方，就是有提到呢，这个念呢也叫念根。那之所以称为念根呢，就是因为这个念在记忆方面呢，是可以带动领导其他的这个相应法呢，一起来成就这个记忆。就是在记忆方面，念是领导，是这个占有首要的功能。那昨天我们提到信也有这个信根，那信的信根是什么？就是在这个确信佛陀的这个佛法的这个八个当信之事上面呢，信是首要的，所以认为是信。
Therefore, they translate in English this area as a controlling faculty. Controlling faculty. Controlling meaning is they are leader in their faculty like that. So like the minister, right? They are also have the education ministry. At that time, the leader is a minister. In the same way, the head ministry at that time, the minister is the leader. In the same way, in the foreign affairs department, the minister is a leader, right? Different leader, right? Every department, every ministry. In the same way, no. Saddha also, confidence also leader in confidence faculty. No? This study also they are leader in the remembrance faculty, remember ministry like that. No?
这个 sati 呢念呢，在英文翻译叫做 controlling faculty， 就是掌握、掌控的这个功能。那这意思是什么？就举例像官员，在政府有不同的这个部门，有各种不同部门，那每一个部门都有这个主要的负责的这个部门的长官，那他们就可以驱动、带动整部的官员们、成员们一起来成就他们要发挥的功能。所以呢，sati 这个念呢，它是属于念灯，就是在记忆方面，它是带领者。
Now another characteristic, upaganana lakkhana. This upaganana is no, he always take no kusala object only, no beneficial object only. In mindfulness, he take always pay attention the beneficial object only. No, this is called upaganana characteristic. No?
那么在这个，我们接着要从相位性请求处来介绍。那么在这个特相上面呢，就我们叫显现特相，就是显现出来的这个特相当中呢，念就大家可以先记一下这个特相有所谓显现的特相。那这一类的特相呈现就是你这两个人，就是念彼此这个相应的诸法心所法呢。让自己会缘取这个善法，还有利益的对象所缘，这就是他的这个显现出来的，也就是念他的所缘呢，会去取这个善的跟有利益的。
Where you are offering dana, you are offering 供佛 no 供山 no you offering to the Buddha, offering to the Bhikkhu. At the time, because of the mindfulness. You know that who is the receiver, which one you are offering. So that the mindfulness is taking this object, this offering time. In the same way, you are taking observing the sila. At the time that you are recite mindfully, right? In the same way, you are not meditating the meditation object. Sometimes samatha object, sometimes vipassana object. You are taking by mindfulness. No, because of the mindfulness, you can know the many beneficial objects now.
举例，我们在这个修这个供养的时候，供佛或者是供僧、供比丘，在这个时候呢，你会心里面清楚的说，哦，我供的对象是谁？然后呢，这一个清楚的知道对象是谁，这就是我们的念发挥的功能。就是 sati 发挥功能。那当我们在受戒的时候，我们在诵念这个戒条、戒法，我们也是清楚有哪些戒法我是要受持的。这也是要靠这个念，就是清楚的知道对象。还有呢，在修这个安般，或者是毗婆舍那，这时候也都是要清清楚楚的，或者说你可以清清楚楚的知道这个对象，就是因为有这个念。
If you are not mindfulness, you cannot know the breathing in, breathing out. At the time, your mind automatically reach to the other object automatically. Sometimes you go back your mind to your home. No? At the time, you cannot know you are breathing in, breathing out. At the time, call back your mindfulness again to know the breathing in, breathing out. No?
比如说，好，我们现在呢在修这个安般念，我们的这个清楚的知道这个出入息，这是因为有念。那如果呢，我们这个念消失了，没有功能，这时候呢，心它就会自动的跑到其他的所缘。比如说，我就会想加，这时候呢要怎么办？这时候就要把心叫回来，把心叫回到这个所缘上，入出息上面。
When you remember your home, this kusala or akusala? Yeah, it's akusala at the time, not associate mindfulness. Sometimes you remember your home, but this remember is not the mindfulness. No, these are maybe just a possession. No, maybe just a possession only like that.
当在研究的时候呢，想到了这样各种情形，请问这是善还是不善？那不善，还是有这个想，对不对？会有记得，那这个时候这个就不是念，这不是属于这个念的功能，这只是一种想，就是想到了，所以念的对象是指能够取到善有利益的。
Therefore, sometimes you homesick. No, homesick. Homesick is a what called. Oh, remember you are home. No, at that time not mindfulness. So at that time, no, you have to call back your mindfulness again. Pay that you are meditation object again.
比如说你在想家，那想家你发现，你现在念头跑到想家，你就要知道说，我要把自己的心再引导心再回到这个入出写上面。
So therefore, in the page 534, no, also you say that mindfulness has the nature of the collecting and protecting all wholesome and beneficial states. No?
禅修这个念还有一种这样的功能，就是念能够保护所缘。
Okay, now function. Function in the Pali is asamosana rasa. No? Asamosana meaning is that eradicates heedlessness pamada. No? So this mindfulness has the function. No? This function is always remember at the time eradicate the heedlessness pamada. No?
接着我们来就是来看这个作用。作用呢，念的作用呢，就是它有特性，就是它可以去除这个放逸，因为放逸呢的心会让我们这个所缘呢消失，而念呢能够防止所缘被消失。
So Chinese letter mindfulness sati is how to write?
念怎么写啊？中文怎么写
Yeah, 今天的今 and shin. So this meaning is a current mind, your pleasant mind. No, pleasant mind meaning is according to Chinese character. So mind know pleasant object. No, so this called the mindfulness. Not forget. So mindfulness prevent the object from the vanishing. Not prevent disappearing. So because the mindfulness, you know always this object. No.
这个中文的这个念怎么写呢？就是今天今还有心，今就是现在。现在这个心呢是知道所缘的，这就是念，这就是不会忘记你现在这个心的对象所以呢，这个当我们有念的时候，当我们的心清清楚楚清楚的时候，我们的心就会防止这个对象呢消失，能够清楚的知道这个对象。
So this object is a current object. No, current meaning is when you remember this object appear. This called current object. This object must be sometimes pleasant, sometimes past object also. No, sometimes future object also. You can remember. You can remember the past event also, right? At the time, this past event is appear. This call we call this a currently appear. So mindfulness can know, no, not only the present. Past also can know, the future also can know because of the mindfulness power. No?
这个对象呢，意思呢是指就是说升起来发生的升起来的这个对象，而这升起来的对象呢，它是因为我们这个念它的记忆的功能，所以它不是只有现在而已，可以是过去。比如说在心里面呢，去记起来的过去的某一个事情、某一个情境，它是清清楚楚的。这个也是因为有念的这个力量，可以让我们清清楚楚的记得过去的情境，也包括了现在。所以这个念呢，所谓的这个升起来的这个所缘呢，可以包含过去跟现在。
So therefore, sometimes we use a Buddha no sati. So sati is a remember or recollection. Buddha quality. We are recorded the Buddha quality. No. So at the time, no, we can remember any time the Buddha quality. No. At the time, this is currently appear, right? We call this also called the mindfulness. No. Currently appear, right?
比如说佛随念，佛随念呢是阿耨体，那这个就是指什么？就是我们随念记得佛陀的种种功德，那佛陀的功德在我们的心里面出现，就是因为有这个念的力量。那因此我们要常常呢，就是让自己的心可以记得佛陀的种种功德。那这时候我们就是在用我们的念，令这个佛陀的这个功德的对象呢，在我们心中升起。
And we have the Pali Pobe Nivasa Nusati. Pobe Nivasa meaning is in the past life. Many past life while you are eating, which kind of food you are eating? Why is it you are name? Which country you live in? So can we remember your past event? This also called the state mindfulness. Pobe Nivasa Nusati.
在这个佛教里面对我们的这个智慧功能，就是数世智。数世智的意思就是一个人可以有能力呢记得过去世，你吃什么食物，你叫什么名字，然后你住在哪一个县市，清清楚楚的。那这种呢的能力呢，可以知道数世的种种情况，也都是因为这个念力的关系。
Sometimes you can know that in your past life Namarupa. This Namarupa already arising perishing away in the past, can be remembered again. At that time, this past life Namarupa, they appear again. But at that time, you know they are past life Namarupa, they arising perishing away. Also, you can know, right? This also we call the current object. The sati can know this object also,
这个过去式指的就是我们的心呢，可以缘取自己过去式的名法跟色法。那这过去式的名法色法，在自己的心里面呈现。虽然这个过去的这个名法色法已经消失了，可是心呢是可以有能力去让它显现出来、升起来。这种叫做升起来的所缘，能够令这个过去的名色升起来力量呢，就是念。
According to the nature of the Paramattha Dhamma, they cannot move one place to one place. This place they arrive, they also perishing away at the same place. They cannot move one place to one place. At the time, meditator can be discerned, arising and perishing away, in that condition like that. Because the mindfulness power, at the time they appear arising, perishing away, arising, perishing away. Now this call we call the Khanataya. Khanataya meaning is a momentary arising apparition way. Because of this mindfulness power can know this condition also. No?
这个我们的这个明色法呢是生灭的，就是当下升起，当下灭去。可是因为念力的关系呢，我们的心呢是可以去取那个已经当下生当下灭、刹那刹那生灭的明色法呢，在我们的心里面升起。那这个是什么呢？这个就是因为这个刹那生命的这个刹那生命，它虽然是刹那生命，念力够强，所以它一样的你可以把这个取起，就是你可以提到这一个刹那生命的名声。
So if you have enough samadhi, another concentration power, no, whatever you want to remember, no, which kind of dhamma, no, which kind of namarupa you want to remember. At the time you want to know, no, in the past namarupa they are arising apparition condition. At the time also can know by this mindfulness, no.
如果你的定力够强的话呢，你可以呢，就是决定说我要看哪一个过去式的明色法，那它可以被知道，虽然是过去，那这个就是因为有这个念跟定力呢加起来，可以让我们知道过去式的明色法。
Yeah, Paramata Dhamma, no, momentary arising apparition also you can know, or according to the conventional truth, you are past life, you are born and you also die in the past life, right? This also you can know by your mindfulness. No?
根据这个究竟法呢，根据究竟法所看到的，就是刹那生命生命。可是就世俗定而言，角度来看，你看到那个明色它升起来了，然后他这辈子怎么过了，结果他过世了，这种表知呢，都是因为有这个念力的关系。
So therefore, in the Chinese letter, this Jintiana Jin is a very meaningful Jin. Not only the now this present condition. No, current meaning is that now whenever you want to remember, you can know this condition. At that time they will appear. This appearance we call this the current condition.
这个中文的这个金心，这个念呢，这个字金心呢，甚至可以是非常有意义的，非常有含义的。它指的就是在这个心里面，现在这个心里面升起来，这个升起来的呢，可以是任何的现象，任何的法，可以包括过去，可以包括现在。
So this called Pali called Asamosana Rasa, no? Asamosana Rasa, no Pali, no?
那这个在巴利的意思就是阿萨那拉萨，就是它有这样的功能。这个功能就是可以让这个所缘现起。
Yeah, he may always appear because of mindfulness power. Because mindfulness power, no. So this object always appear in the mind.
因为这个念的力量，可以让呢，这个我们想要取得的这个所缘呢，在心里面现起。
So this object is not akusala object. Akusala object is last week I traveling with my girlfriend. No such kind of object. Only the good object only.
我也是不太好，我自己来看心情，看我的女朋友干嘛？这不是念的这个现起在心里面的对象呢，都是善法的。
So for the Buddha, no. So that day, no Buddha will be enlightened. Buddha will become the Buddha. So this evening, no, Buddha go to the Buddha Gaya place, no. So under the Bodhi tree, he prepare the grass, no. At that time began the one seed appear, no, you know, right? So because the grass, no, many he prepare for the seed. At that time, Mara also come in. So Mara is always disturbance. He doesn't want the Buddha to become the Buddha. Therefore, Mara and his army are disturbing the Bodhisattva. No, he want Buddha not stay here. He already Buddha become the Sammasambuddha. No.
举例这个佛陀成道的那天，首先呢，佛陀就是要准备这个座位。那么当佛陀在准备座位的时候呢，这个魔王跟他的那个魔君呢，就开始骚动起来。他们就想要阻止佛陀成佛，因为他们很害怕佛陀呢会成为正等正觉。
But Buddha win, they cannot disturb Buddha, no? Because Buddha already accumulated the 10 paramis, right? So Buddha made the Daythana. At that time, Mara and his army are run away. Now Buddha win. After that, Buddha meditate starting. No?
那这个他就叫这个魔王就是总是阻碍佛陀要成就的。虽然他们想这个魔王要来干扰呢，佛陀呢就是以他的强而有力的这个决意呢，就驱除了战胜魔王。为什么？因为佛陀的这个十波罗蜜呢已经圆满成就了。
So in the first watch meaning is the evening the 6 to 10, no, evening, no. At that time, Buddha not trying to get the Pobe Niwasa Nusati psychic power. Pobe Niwasa Nusati supernormal power, no, psychic power, no. At that time, Buddha can remember many past life, no, many past life because of this psychic power, no.
那么在第一时，就是夜分的第一时的时候呢，那佛陀呢就得到了这个宿命通，意思就是说，佛陀的这个神通力呢，可以知道所有过去世的种种的情况。
This psychic power also based on the Anapana meditation. So every Buddha use the Anapana meditation.
那这个神通力呢，是靠这个入出行念。
Yeah. So he enter first jhana, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana according to the Chatukanaya. No, Chatuka. No, only 4 jhana only. No. So but Abhidhamma is a 5th jhana. No.
佛陀根据这个入出行呢，就是入了初场、2场、3场、4场。就是只有4场。根据阿毗达摩呢，佛陀呢这个4场就称为第5场地。
So Buddha Anapana Samadhi are very powerful. So after getting the 4 jhana, no, so Buddha tried to get the Pobe Niwasa Nusati psychic power.
First jhana.
First jhana, yeah.
佛陀的这个4场定力是非常强的力量，因为这个强而有力的4场，因此佛陀可以得到宿命通。
Yeah, tonight you also can try to get the psychic power. No, after practicing the Anapana jhana.
你今天也可以得到这个，就是你透过这个休息、入出行念，
Okay, now second watch. Second watch is at 10 to 2 a.m. No, 4 hours. Second watch, Buddha tried to get the Dipachaku, divine eye. No?
10
to 2. 10 to 2. No, 10 to 2 a.m.
那第2时呢，就是从10点，晚上10点到这个第2天的早上0点，就是6小时。4小时，对，4小时。
So because the Dipachaku jnana, no, Buddha know No, the work is of karma. No, which kind of karma can produce which kind of the vipaka effect like that. No, not only for him, he also know for other also. No.
在这个第二次的时候，天眼回到天眼通呢，就是佛陀就可以看到这个业的作用，意思就是佛陀就知道自己过去世的这个因果关系，然后同时不仅知道自己，也不知道他者所有其他众生的这种种的这个因果关系。
So we can say, Purvaniwasa Nusriñana is make clear the Namarupa Paricheda Jnana. Because Purvaniwasa second power can know the Namarupa, many past like Namarupa like that. So this is very support to the Vipassana Jnana, Namarupa Paricheda Jnana. No?
我们可以这样看，就是第一时佛陀所证的这个寿命，可以说呢，就是名色分别智，因为在这个时候，寿命通看到的呢，就是这个名色的状况，那也是毗婆舍那里面的名色分别智。
So Devajaku, divine eye support to clear the Parijasubhada, cause and effect, Pachya Pariganyana. No?
那这个第二时呢，佛陀可以观到这个因果业报呢，可以说呢，就是证得了这个名色受持缘分的名。
Buddha know, no? All the karma vipaka also Buddha know, and also other people karma vipaka also Buddha know. No? Cause and effect Buddha know for everybody, no? Because the divine eye, second power. This also support to the Pachya Pariganyana, Parijasubhada, Yanchifa, no? Dependent origination.
所以因为这个天眼通呢，可以知道这个业因跟果报，知道自己的这个业因还有果报，也知道其他众生的这个因果报应因为业导致的果报，这个也可以说就是缘色受持。
For example, like even no past life maybe Deva, no, because the Deva like no come to the human world in Taiwan like that. So Buddha know, no, according to the no individual karma and individual vipaka, Buddha know like that. This is example. I don't know.
比如说，就是有个天人，在天上造的这个业呢，等到堕落生到这个人上，生到来到天到这个来到天边，我都非常清楚为什么会生，因为什么因得到这个什么样的果。
So then, third watch is 2 a.m. to the 6 a.m. No, so Buddha also no enter the Anapana jhana, first jhana, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana. After that, no, Buddha try no to practice vipassana. No, so to practice vipassana, the object is no Namarupa and cause and effect. Another way we can say that Parijasubhada factors. Now Parijasubhada factor is that Vijja, Sankhara, no, Vijja Pachaya Sankhara, Sankhara Pachaya Vijnana, right? All Parijasubhada factor are 12 factors, no? So Buddha, no, contemplate anicca dukkha anatta, no? So this Parijasubhada factor, dependent origination factor also all Namarupa only. No, Namarupa only. No, so Buddha already understand Namarupa and cause and effect. No, because in the first watch and second watch, no, he already studied many times like that. So therefore, last watch, he are ready to practice the vipassana. No.
那么第三时呢，这个佛陀就是继续的去观呢，是观这个名色的因果关系。 也就是呢更仔细的跟明证有这个因果缘起，主要就是能够完整的，就是观到这个12缘起，就是无明缘前行缘是这样子的一个完整的去观察到自己跟其他一些众生的这个因果关系。
So everybody recite the Parijasubhada factor, dependent origination factor, Vijja, Pachaya, Sankhara, Sankhara, Pachaya, Vijnana, etc. Please recite together.
无明缘行行缘是4缘名色，纠正一下。We only have 24.
Yeah, never mind.
那我们静静的听这个禅师去读这个12缘起的发明。
Right? Yeah. And chanting book also has. No?
另外一本
Chanting book has page number 2.
在第2页。
This chanting book has page number 2. Sorry, page number 3. Page number 3. Page number 3. This book. No. Page number 3. No. Iti ima same sati idam hoti ima supada idam ubejaya idam avijja pachaya sankhara. Okay, right? Okay, Pali and Chongwan Ichi. We will recite.
就是跟着禅师中文一起念。有，就是在另外这一本这个课诵本，放在这一本。
Yeah. 卡手本，卡手，卡手经，手经，也，
就是欢喜的聆听。
Vijja Pachaya Sankhara Sankhara Pachaya Vijnana Vijnana Pachaya Nama Rupa Nama Rupa Pachaya Salayatana Salayana Pachaya Phasa Phasa Pachaya Vedana Vedana Pachaya Tana Tana Pachaya Upadana Upadana Pachaya Bhava Bhava Pachaya Jati Jati Pachaya Jamarana Soka Paridewa Dukha Domana Supaya Sa Samonti Ewa Mitasa Kivalasa Dukha Khandasa Samudayo Hoti. Okay. 中文。
中文源于无明行生起，源于行识生起，源于识名色生起，源于行色六处生起，源于六处生起，源于处受生起，源于受爱生起，源于爱取生起，源于取有生起，源于有生生起，源于生老死愁悲苦忧生起，如此即起这整堆苦。
Conditioned by ignorance, volitional formation arise. Conditioned by volitional formation, consciousness arise. Conditioned by consciousness, mind and metta arise. Conditioned by mind and metta, the sixfold base arise. Conditioned by the sixfold base, contact arise. Conditioned by contact, feeling arise. Conditioned by feeling, craving arise. Conditioned by craving, clinging arise. Conditioned by clinging, becoming arise. Conditioned by becoming, birth arise. Conditioned by birth, aging, death, sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair arise. Thus, the entire mass of suffering arise. No. Understand?
所以懂英文的可以再听一次，就听。
Yeah. So this Avijja Sankhara or called the factor of dependent origination. No.
所以这个无明呢，是对于我们整个的这个缘起具有相当大的影响。
So this Parijjan Sopada factor, dependent orientation factor also Namarupa only. No?
这个缘起的这个要素因素呢，就只是名色法而已。
So Buddha, no, contemplate again, anicca, dukkha, anatta, anicca, dukkha, anatta again. No?
The first watch.
Yeah, in the last watch, no, 2 to 4. No?
所以在这个第4时的时候，就是清晨的2点到4点，佛陀的观完缘起，那接着就观这个，这些都是名色，每一个缘起都是名色法，这些名色法呢，都是刹那刹那之间，都是无常无我。
Yeah. So not only Namarupa of this universe, no, many universe Namarupa, no. So how many, no, Satta, Koti, Satta, Sahasa, Chakawala, no. Koti is 10 million, Sattasa is 1 lakh, no, 100,000 Koti, no. 100,000 Koti, 1 Koti at 10 millions. No? So many universe Namarupa, no? Buddha, no, contemplate anicca, dukkha, anatta. No?
那佛陀不仅是观这一个世间的这个所有一切众生的这个缘起，还有呢，包括呢观宇宙无量无边的这个世界的缘起。那这个数目有多大呢？这个叫做 quota， 就是百万、千万。那千万呢？千万再乘以10万，10万的千万，10的6倍数再乘以1000万，就是很多。
So therefore, no, Buddha Vipassana called Mahavajira, Mahavipassana, no, very powerful Vipassana jnana.
所以佛陀的这个毗婆舍那呢，叫做大毗婆舍那。
Yeah. Mahavajira, meaning Vajira is a diamond. No? So diamond is very hard, right? Can be made break everything because diamond. Now diamond hardness is very high density like that. So Buddha Vipassana jnana is like diamond. No, can break everything. No.
那这个佛陀的这个大毗婆舍，大毗婆的观智呢，就是叫大观智呢，就又称为金刚观智。金刚的意思就是钻石，钻石的力量，大家知道钻石可以破除很多比它很多坚硬的东西。那么这个观智被比喻成为钻石金刚呢，意思就是说各种的烦恼、微细的事都可以被这个金刚观智呢所破除、所去除。
So finally, Buddha enter again the Anapana first jhana again. After that, contemplate first jhana Dhamma. At the time, attain the Sotapatti Mega Phala.
所以呢，佛陀在得到这个金刚观智以后，又再修行，然后从这里再修观，得到了这种四个果智，分别得到4个道智、4种道智、4种果智。
After that, Buddha reflect the removing already removed kilesa and remaining kilesa, and also reflect the Mega Phala and Nibbana. After that, Buddha enter again the second jhana, Anapana second jhana.
So first, the first Sotapatti is the first jhana.
Yeah. Buddha enter first jhana and contemplate first jhana Dhamma and attain Sotapatti Mega Phala. After that, reviewing, reflect, Peccavekkhana jhana arise. Five Peccavekkhana jhana viti. This 5 Peccavekkhana, one is the object. How many kilesa I already removed? This is first Peccavekkhana viti. Second is how many kilesa remaining? second. Number 3 is that he replaced the mega. No, Sottapatti mega. Number 4, he replaced Sottapatti phala. No, pa and fruition. So pa is the number 3, fruition is the number 4. Other replace the nibbana also. This is number 5 there, reflecting the Peccavekkhana reviewing viti. So these 5 Peccavekkhana jnana are not possible to rise, no, after getting mega phala. No, after that, no, Buddha trying again vipassana. So this vipassana also he entered the second jhana and he contemplates second jhana dhamma anicca dukkha anatta. At that time, attained the number 2 mega phala, no, TR, second mega phala, no, Sakadagami mega phala, no.
第一个我是订正一下，就是佛陀呢，这个从这个大净方式出定出来转修这个安般，然后这个初禅得到初禅之后呢，佛陀就观这个初禅的这个名色呢是用毗婆舍那来观，然后得到了这个出果的这个道智。就是这个须陀洹果的道智，然后呢，就能够断掉了这个烦恼。接着呢，佛陀就在用深情的审查智，审查什么呢？审查第一个就是断了哪些烦恼，得到的出果，还有呢，遗留下了哪些的烦恼。So kind of reflecting first how many klesha was
already removed.
And remain,
second is how many kilesa remaining. Number 3 is the mega part knowledge. Number 4 is the phala fruition knowledge, the object. Number 5 is the nibbana object.
Okay. 那这个部分有5种，第一个呢就是断了哪些，第二就是留下哪些烦恼，第三呢就是这个得到的果智是什么。然后就是道的这个智慧，果智，还有呢就是涅槃。So the fifth is
Nibbana object. Yeah, every noble person they reply like that. No, mostly, no, mostly.
这就是审查智的出果审查智。那这个出场审查智呢，进这个审查完了之后呢，就进入了观这个，又再进入出安那般那。然后得到了二禅，再从二禅就同样的再得到这个就是二果里面同样的透过审查智呢，就走完了这个完整的得到了二果的过程，就是在审查智二果的这个断了哪些烦恼，还有哪些烦恼无存，还有就是二果的道智、二果的果智和涅槃，每个都一样。
So this second jhana is according to the Panchaka method. Panchaka means 5 jhana method, not 4 jhana method. Like according to Abhidhamma Sangha, there are 5 jhana, right? First jhana, second jhana, third jhana, 4th jhana, 5th jhana, right? So first jhana has Vitakka, Vichara, Piti, Sukha, Ekagata. No? Second jhana only Vitakka only they remove. Stay has a Vichara, Piti, Sukha, Ekagata, 4 jhana factor. So such kind of jhana, the Buddha enter. Vitakka only he remove. No, Vichara, Piti, Sukha, Ekagata, 4 jhana factor are stay has the second jhana.
Fourth jhana factor. 那佛陀的这个二禅很特别，它不同于我们这个阿毗达摩的。就是经的这个四禅的留下的二禅是断了这个寻跟识，在这个时候的佛陀的入的二禅呢，它还它是保有这个4个禅支，就是没有寻而已，还保留了那个识、喜乐、一净心，保留这4个的这个二禅，这个二禅只有去断了，就是没有寻的这个二禅。
So after reflecting the mega phala, nibbana, no, etc. So after the enter again the third jhana. Third jhana is a no vitaka vichara, piti sukha ekagata, 3 jhana factor only. After that, contemplate jhana matter formation. No? Anicca dukkha anatta. At that time, attain the tisanga, third mega phala, anagami mega phala. No?
那在经过佛陀在二层这个法度之后呢，就是接着透过安般落到了这个三层。这时候三层呢，它的产生呢，就是没有了事，而有了喜乐尽兴。然后佛陀呢，再从这个定里面出来，再去观这个三禅刹那这个名色，就是心法。然后再观呢，再得到从这观这个禅那心的心入的禅那名色法是无常无我，得到了入了这个得到三果。那这个三果是首先还是属于得到三果的道智，然后再从这里要的一个审查，就是这个有哪些断了哪些道智果智三果的道智果智的涅槃。
This samatha vipassana, the jhana, mind movement, this mindfulness always associate. So at the time, no wandering mind Buddha has. Buddha no wandering mind, continually practicing like that because the mindfulness power.
在这个佛陀入这个三禅的时候，他的塑形也是就是这个刹那刹，在这个塑形里面呢，都有这个换言之呢，就是比如说这个入定的时候呢，是没有妄念的。
Yeah. At the time, no, Mara also checking Buddha mind. No, Buddha taking the akusala object or not. No, cannot find any the weakness of the Buddha. No, Buddha mindfulness very powerful at the time. Very powerful. No wandering mind, no akusala object.
在三禅的时候呢 ，at the third jhana， 在三禅的时候，这个魔王也来这个检查佛陀的心，他就要看，佛陀取的是什么手段，佛陀的心这个是不是有不善呢？他就很仔细的检查，发现说佛陀的心里面没有升起刹那的这个。
So Mara always checking that our bodhisattva mind. No, Mara always checking because he worried Buddha to become the Sammasambuddha.
这个魔王呢，总是呢会去检查我们这个菩萨的这个心，为什么呢？因为他怕菩萨呢会成为这个菩萨正统。
Yeah. So then, no, Buddha replied that, no, already remove kilesa and how many kilesa remain and mega phala nibbana, no, in the same way, no. So after that, enter the fourth jhana. This fourth jhana is the sukha and ekagata jhana factor, no.
在第三禅检查了之后呢，就是烦恼断多少，比如说多少烦恼到这个果子之后呢，佛陀在入这个再修安般念得到四禅定。这时候的这个四禅呢，这个禅师呢是有乐的情形。
Yeah. After that, Buddha contemplate the four jhana, no matter formation, nature dukkha anatta, and attain the rashid, no, together with the Sabbinyutta jnana, omission and knowledge. Sabbinyutta jnana, Sabbinyutta. Sabbinyutta jnana is for Buddha only, no. This Alatta Mega together with the wisdom. This wisdom is called Sabbinyutta jnana, omission and knowledge.
那在四禅入了四禅之后呢，佛陀就观这个四禅定的这个行法，名色行法，然后呢，从这里呢得到阿罗汉。在佛陀得到阿罗汉的同时呢，也证一切知智一切知智只有佛陀才有的，一切知道一切，就是 遍一切智，所有一切呢，佛陀都是知道的啊，一切知智。
So at that time, Buddha also reflect again. At that time, he reflect how many kilesa I already removed. No, remaining kilesa no need to reflect because no kilesa remain. So therefore, only the kilesa already removed. Number 2 is a Rata Mega. Number 3 is a Rata Phala. No, Tauko. So only the Mega Phala and Nibbana. So number 1 is already removing kilesa. Number 2 Mega. Number 3 Phala. Number 4 Nibbana. Only 4 only. No, 4 Pechavakana Viti only. No.
到了这个阿罗汉的时候呢，就没有所谓断食，就无烦恼，而只有什么去检查无遗漏。所以第一个呢，检查的就是说还有余存什么烦恼，这是第一个检查。第二个就是阿罗汉道智、阿罗汉果智，还有就是涅槃。所以这个审查的这个对象就只有4种。
After that, don't rise also appear. No, this is the last period of the Fumu day. No, after enlightened Buddha and began the next day. Next day means that this Fumu day also finished. So Buddha enlightened in the Fumu day of the May, right? Vesak day. No? So the night of the Fumu day, Buddha is getting the Mega Phala. So last watch. No, last period, Buddha began the Sammasambuddha. No, at the time, don't rise.
就在佛陀证到阿罗汉果的时候呢，就是5月的这个15，然后呢，这个黎明呢，就整个就是大地呢，就是黑暗去除，大地就是放了曙光。那也是同时呢，就是我们的佛陀证得了这个一切直指，证得了这个大阿罗。
Yeah. So the whole night Buddha using this mindfulness, this mindfulness power very very highest. No.
佛陀这个整夜呢，就是从第1时到第4时，就是用这个运用念力，就是因为这个念的力量，所以佛陀的念力呢是非常。
So everybody see that page number 2. So this Anika Jati Sansara, you can see. No? So Buddha very happy at the time. No? So Buddha uttering in the mind this stanza. No?
在解脱会的这个第2页第2页呢，就是佛陀开悟后的这个偈颂。这偈颂呢，总共有4句偈颂。
So this utterance is a happily utterance. So Buddha know I become the Sammasambuddha because his wish are completed. 修完了。So after the Buddha, this stanza automatically appear in the mind. The happily utterance we call. Every Buddha also reside in the mind. Not only one Buddha, every Buddha.
这个4句偈呢，是从心中因为快乐油然升起的，是在心里面升起的偈颂，而且不是我们这一世的佛，是过去所有的佛，过去未来所有的佛，当他证悟的时候呢，就会从心中呢升起这4句偈。
Therefore, every the Buddha Abhiseka ceremony, we recite this stanza, and also every morning chanting, we also recite this stanza.
所以呢，在佛陀这个证悟的天呢，都被诵读这个偈颂，都每天早课也都会诵。
Okay, now we shall recite now.
那我们一起来诵。
Pali, Chonwan, Inwan, Sangha. Okay. Aneka jati sansaran sanda visan anibisan kagaran govisan to dukha jati punan punan kagare gade thosi puna gehan nakahesi sabate phasuka vega ga kutan visan katan Usan khara gatan cita tananan khaya menjaga. 中文。
人为许多生寻找者，流转于发现诸佛在生，以建造者不再造家务，以传以毁坏，动摇以破坏，心以离行作，以证诸爱智。
Through the round or the many births, I wander in samsara, seeking but not finding the bed or the house. Suffering is but gate and gate. O house builder, you are sea, you shall not build a house again. All your reptiles are broken. Your rashpo is shattered. My mind has attained the unconditioned, obtaining the distraction or the craving time. Sadhu. Unconditioned meaning is the nibbana meaning. Unconditioned thing is a nibbana. No?
是 unconditioned 就是无为法，
嗯
无为法呢
It's
就
a
是
nibbana. Okay, so after enlightenment, no, Buddha, no, I became there. I already Sammasambuddha. After the Buddha continued 7 days in the another body tree. No, 7 days entering the Palasamapati. No, 7 days. Not yet eating. No, not yet eating at the time. No, Buddha continued there, entering the Palasamapati. No, Palasamapati, pushing the attainment. Rata, pushing attainment. 7 days continuously. No.
那佛陀在证悟之后呢，就入了这个大果定，也就是这个证悟之后的证阿罗汉得到的定，然后整个7天里面呢，就入这一个非常舒适的定，连续7天没有吃，也没有任何的这个吃喝控名。
After that, after 7 days, no, Buddha go a little bit far and looking at the body tree. Now 7 days by standing. No, standing, not sitting at the time. Standing and now without closing the eye. Now because this body tree is a very beneficial for me. So therefore, now Buddha, no, this is a very honorable body tree like that. So Buddha, no, looking the body tree 7 days, through the 7 days. This is called puja. No, Buddha, even Buddha also puja the body tree. No, 7 days standing.
接着第2个7天呢，佛陀呢是站着，然后张开眼睛呢看着这个菩提树，因为呢，佛陀感念这个菩提树呢，利益了这个佛陀成就，所以呢，佛陀是对这个树修供养，连佛陀也修供养，不讲。
This is a northeast direction. No, where? Northeast direction. No, northeast direction. No. So after that, no, already 2 weeks already. Not 4th week, Buddha made the walking meditation. No, walking meditation in the north direction. North direction of the body tree. No, 7 days Buddha made the walking meditation. No, not yet eating. No, not yet eating. Continue the walking meditation because 7 days already sitting, 7 days standing, right? At that time, to balance the posture, Buddha made the walking meditation, the 7 days near the body tree. Northern direction. Yeah.
那在这个第三个契约，佛陀呢 呢是行禅，
嗯
这个行禅呢是向北方行禅，也就是佛陀呢就改变了这个姿势坐，然后从坐到站，然后再行禅。
So already 21 days finished. No? Okay, now number 4 weeks. At the time Buddha repressed Abhidhamma. No? Abhidhamma. No? So at the time, no, Deva create the 1 billion. No? One there, one small billion for Buddha. No? So this billion called the Yadanagara. Yadana is a jiva, pong. Radhana Sutta Radhana. Radhana is a jiva. Jiva is a Radhana, like Pangchina Radhana. You know Radhana Sutta? You know? No, Sampang da Pang. Radhana Sutta. So this house called Radhana Gara. Gara is a house. No? So why Buddha declared Abhidhamma in this house? So Abhidhamma is like the jewels. No? Jewel like that. Very precious jewels. So Abhidhamma is like jewels. So Buddha reflects inside this house. So this house called Radhana Gara. No, Gara. G-H-A-R-A, Gara. Radhana is a Radhana. Radhana Sutta Radhana. No? So Pangcha. House is a how is a u. Bảo
Chính nè.
Okay. Chào đâu. Okay. Abhidhamma inside this house. No get the motto. Reflect in the inside the mind. Inside the mind, right? 7 Abhidhamma book, no? 7 Abhidhamma book, no?
So this kind of Dakana house is kind of a metaphor or really in his mind.
This house is created by Deva. No, Deva made this house. So Buddha stay in the house and Buddha reflect Abhidhamma 7 days. No, sitting and reflect. So Buddha already walking 7 days, right? So have to sit again. So Buddha stay inside the house and reflect the Abhidhamma 7 days. No?
在第4个7天的时候呢，佛陀呢就要转换姿势，因为走了。那同时呢，这个天人就盖了这个宝物。那这个宝物呢是非常的精致，非常的这个特别的殊胜的这个宝物。那么同时在这个时候，这第4个7天的佛陀呢就思维这个。然后每天呢都有不同层次的阿毗达摩，也就是我们的这个南传的这个7部只是
Yeah. Okay, I already sharing now. I already sharing. Yeah. Can see, right? Abhidhamma Pitaka. So number 1 is the can appear, right? Number 1 is the Dhamma Sangani Pali. Dhamma Sangani means that no, Dhamma is a many phenomena Dhamma. No, many phenomena kusala, akusala, abhyagata, etc. like that. Why is a kusala? Why is a akusala? Why is a abhyagata? Kusala is a wholesome. No, akusala is a unwholesome. No, etc. like that. So Buddha made the group by group like that. No, so Buddha referred the Dhamma Sangani Pali. One is a Citta, Cittasika, Rupa. No? So this Dhamma Sangani Pali has the display Citta, Cittasika and Rupa. No?
那这7天的这7部分呢，就是现在在荧幕上可以看到的，就是法旗。第一个呢就是Dhamma Sangani，也是法旗论。法旗论呢，主要呢这个旗的意思就是一组一组的。那佛陀呢就分析这个所有的法，哪些法是属于善的，是不善的，然后分析出这个心所法和色法，就是分析这个究竟法，然后同时分类。这个是第一部论，阿毗达摩第一部论就是法旗论。
So number 2 book is a Vibhinga Pali. Vibhinga meaning is a detailed explanation. No, like Khanda Vibhinga, Ayatana Vibhinga. You know, Khanda is aggregate. No? Ayatana is a system based like that. So many chapter Buddha explained there in the Vibhinga Pali.
第二个呢，就是分别论。分别论呢，主要呢就是对这一切法在从运处界不同的这个分类呢，来分析这个所有的这个名色法。
So number 2 is a Dhadukatha. Dhadukatha is this also Paramattha phenomena like Khanda Dhadu, Ayatana Dhadu, like that. No?
第三个叫做界，就是世界的界论。界论呢，就是分析这个哪些法的一样的，就是在分析这个究竟法，然后有运处界。
So number 4 is a Pukkala Piññati. Pukkala Piññati is explain the conventional truth like that. No?
第四呢，叫做人施设论，也就是这个我们世俗谛的这个从这世俗谛的角度来分析人有哪些类。
Kathawattu. Number 5 is a Kathawattu. Kathawattu is the point of the controversy. No? So Buddha time, no? Buddha time also many discussion like that. Dhamma discussion. No? This is what meaning, this is correct or not like that. They discuss always. No? So after Buddha Parinibbana also have to discuss again and again. No? At that time, this Kathawattu Pali also appear. No? Kathawattu meaning is the point of the controversy.
那第五个，第五论呢，就是叫做世论。世论就是有争论的观点。在佛世的时候呢，不同的这个修行者啊、沙门，他们也有不同的观点。那么佛陀在这里面呢，就提出了不同观点的相关的内容。
Especially in the before the Third Sangha Council in India. At the time, Mahamoggalliputta Thera, you know, Mahamoggalliputta Thera, no, King Asoka, no, King Asoka and Mahamoggalliputta Thera are the leader of the number 3 Sangha Council, no, in the India. You know King Asoka, no. At that time, Mahamoggalliputta is no. He write completely this Kathawattu Pali, because at the time many the controversial the teaching in the India, no. Therefore, he made the clear. These are real the right true Dhamma. This a mistake like that. You have to decide using this Kathawattu, no. So this Kathawattu are very important in Abhidhamma also.
这个我们刚刚在所有讲的都是从口传过来的。那么到了阿育王时代的时候呢，就是目犍连子这个地区长老，他也就在佛陀涅槃后的218年之后呢，在阿育王的时期呢有很多的争辩，在第3次结集的时候呢，把这一个世论呢。写下来，记录下来，因为这个辩论型的这个世论呢，非常的重要，就是能够区别不同的观点，还有佛教的观点跟非佛教的观点是非常一个主要的重点。所以这本论非常的重要。
So number 6 is a Yamaka Pali. No, Yamaka is a twin meaning. Twin meaning is this, no, the question and answer. They are one pair. This is called Yamaka. Yamaka means a pair.
这个第6本书就叫第6本论书叫双论。双论的意思就是一对一对的，也就是呢，这里面就是有关这个究竟法还有因果呢，都用这个一对一对的，包括了。不同的就是究竟法的主题，运处界地，他用那个一对一对的来陈述论述。
So last book is Patthana Pali. No, Patthana is the condition condition phenomena, no condition.
最后一本呢就是八字论，发趣论，发趣论呢就是有关这个缘起。
So number 1 to 6, at that time Buddha reflect. So at that time Buddha wisdom are not yet powerful yet. No, not yet powerful means that Buddha not yet happy so much. After reflecting Patthana, Buddha very happy. Why? Sabanyutta Jnana is can use fully at the time. Sabanyutta Jnana is very big jnana, right? At that time the object also very wide. Patthana, the data, Patthana condition are very wide the subject. Therefore, Buddha reflect by Sabanyutta Jnana. At that time, Buddha very happy. No? Piti coming a lot. So, for example, very big fish can be played in the big ocean only. No? So, very big fish cannot be played in the river, right? Because not enough space. No, because fish are very big. No, so river is very small, cannot play, happily. But in the ocean, very big fish can play very easily and very happily. In the same way, Buddha's wisdom are very big. No, therefore, Patthana also like ocean, very wide. Therefore, Buddha can be reflect happily, Patthana. At that time, the light of wisdom also appear from the body, because at the time Buddha blood are very, very, very clean. Because mind is clean, the blood also very purified. At the time, light appear from the body, the light of wisdom. Buddha light of wisdom are very powerful and coming out from the body and cover the whole universe like that. No, just reflect, not get the matter. Just reflect only, light appear from the body. No.
这个前面的这个六本的论呢，都是佛陀在内心的这个反思。在这个时候呢，佛陀还不是非常的欢喜，那智慧的显现也不是非常的强。一直到了发趣论的时候，佛陀呢就完全的展现他的智慧。因为前面呢是有关这个缘起法，就是到了这个就是佛陀的智慧照了发趣论的时候，就透彻的解析了这个世间的所有的缘起法，整个宇宙的缘起法。那么佛陀的内心的这个智慧呢，一切知识呢，可以说就是充分的展现跟透彻的分析。就好比说一只大鱼，它在这个大海游的时候，它会游上游下非常快乐。可是如果这只大鱼呢是在一个小河，它是很困难的。就好比说，当佛陀在思维这个缘起的时候，世间所有的缘起各种角度来思维的时候呢，可以说就是佛陀的智慧就是大放光明。而这种大放光明的这个智慧呢，是从内心发展发出的这个智慧呢，是从内心发出来，所以心是非常的亮。然后由于这个非常亮的心呢，整个身体呢就放光，所以称为大放光明。然后呢，这个光呢，就遍及了整个宇宙。所以宇宙里，因为佛陀的这个观这个发趣论的内容呢，而充满了光芒。
So Buddha also used the mindfulness to reflect this Abhidhamma. No.
佛陀呢是用了这个念来思维反思这7本阿含。7本的内容，所以这时候的念。
So they said 21 to 28 days after Buddhahood, number 4 weeks.
那这个成佛后的4周28天呢，就是佛道，就是证悟佛道的一个状况。
So just reflect 7 days, throughout 7 days, just reflect this Abhidhamma. If Gita Dhammato have to use 3 months. So at the time Buddha had just reflect the Abhidhamma only, no machine, Buddha referred Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta or Satipatthana Sutta or not mentioned. They mentioned Buddha referred this Abhidhamma only in the throughout the 7 days. No? So what important there? Abhidhamma Pitaka. So Buddha first referred Dhamma is a Abhidhamma. No?
想想看哈，就是说，佛陀呢是证悟之后用7天来内在反思，然后呢，真正并没有说法，真正说法是3个月。而且最重要的就是说，在这个历史上面记载，就是佛陀成道的这个最早的内容，事实上是也都没有提到了他这个就是就是其他的经就是转法的经是这个大部分经都没有提到，而提到的呢是阿毗达，就是说佛陀成道的这一个最初的这个有关法，后来说法的事实上是阿毗达，可见阿毗达多么的重要。
Although Buddha already replied the Abhidhamma Pitaka, but Buddha had to wait the time to get Dhamma talk. Because he needed 3 months, 3-month time, but not easy to get Dhamma talk in human world. Because one Dhamma talk have to take the 3 months. So in human world, 1 hour, 2 hours is very long. No, now already nearly 1.5 hour. This is also long, right? So not possible to get Abhidhamma talk in human world. So therefore, every Buddha have to go to the Tawadesa to get that Abhidhamma talk. So have to wait the time, no? So Buddha have to wait there 7 years to get this Abhidhamma talk.
这个佛陀要证悟之后，而且已经也很成熟，这个就是法的法义内容怎么样子这个开展。可是呢，佛陀并没有，佛陀需要等时间，等候时间来说。为什么呢？就是因为呢，这个人间的时间呢，跟天的时间，人间的时间呢 ，so human time is long.
Yeah, because in Tawadesa, no, in Tawadesa Buddha give this Abhidhamma talk 3 months. UNG, spending was 3 months. So throughout the 3 months, Buddha give the only the Abhidhamma talk only in Tawadesa. So Buddha need the 3 month Dhamma talk. No, according to the human being lifespan. No, but for Deva lifespan is our 100 years only there 1 day only. No, therefore for them this a few minutes only. No, therefore easy in Deva world to get Abhidhamma talk.
那为什么呢？就是因为人间的时间比较长，比如说在这个天道的时间1天呢是人类的100天。那佛陀呢，像佛陀要讲这个法呢，他就是到忉利天说这个阿毗达摩。那佛陀在阿毗达摩说法的时间呢，7天。
Only the only the 100 year is there 1 day only, right? So there are 3 months for a few minutes only for them, a few minutes only, a few minutes only. Maybe you can say that here 100 years are there 1 day, right? 100 year 1 day, no? 100 year 1 day. So at that time 3 months, so only a few minutes only for them, a few minutes. No.
3个月就天道就是在人间要说法3个月的，在天道呢就只有几分钟而已，因为人间的这个时间呢比较长。
So a few minutes the matter for them very easy. No.
我们现在已经讲我们现在已经讲了快90分钟，那对这个天人来讲，如果几分钟呢能够闻法的话呢，对就是非常容易的事情。
But Buddha is a human being, right? So the motto is 3 months, right? So every day, no, every day Buddha have to eat the food, no. So therefore every day Buddha Pidapada come back to human world and Pidapada. At the time Buddha now create one of the Nemitta Buddha image, and Buddha arranged to get the motto continuously. not AI, not use the AI. Use the Buddha power. At the time, not use the AI.
对佛陀的就是佛陀呢证悟之后呢，是等到了就是等7年之后呢才开始说法。理由呢就是这个人间3个月的这个要用3个月来说法，这个不是一件很容易的事。第一个就是佛陀在天道讲法呢很短的时间，可是呢佛陀是以人成佛的，所以佛陀是需要吃饭的。所以佛陀呢，就是在天道讲完以后呢，他还要再返回人间，然后呢要吃饭，所以要佛陀吃，所以这个时间呢就会比较长。那佛陀在刚刚讲到说，佛陀是去天的时候呢，他那个形还是在，
化身佛，
就是化身，就是佛陀在吃饭的时候呢是用人，对不对？然后呢是化身佛呢在天道说法，就是有分身。
化身佛 ，not AI, right?
不是 AI， 不是 AI， 不是机器人，是机器人。
Because last week I saw in the Facebook one the AI robot can get the motto AI. Yeah, they invented in Japan. In the Japan, the one the AI, the engineer they invented one AI, the AI Bhikkhu. AI Bhikkhu now can get the motto now.
就是在日本呢，就是用机器人的形象的这样一个球，然后这一个机器人呢是可以说话。
Yeah, this AI Bhikkhu is wearing the chasaru.
然后这个机器人很好，然后可以讲话，没有问题他可以回答。
But Buddha time not yet AI, right? So this like the Buddha power. Now Buddha create the one that Nimitta Buddha, and this Nimitta Buddha continues this Bidamatok.
所以呢，佛陀呢是在天道呢是用化身佛在继续的一直讲法。那在人道呢就是用人间的这个人间的活动，在讲法。
So Buddha go down there, our human world and Pidapada in the northern land. Northern land is a Pei town. Pei is a northern. No, northern land. Northern land is I don't know where. No, Buddha Pidapada in the northern land. So here also Pei too, right? Maybe here, maybe. So at the time, Sariputta knew Buddha every day come there for Pidapada. At the time, wherever Sariputta, now they sub to the Buddha. At the time, Buddha also teach the every day Abhidhamma to the Sariputta. Now every day, how measure, how rich I already gave me Abhidhamma in Tawadesa. So every day in bleed, he explained to the Sariputta. No. After that, Sariputta also every day teach to his disciple, 500 disciples, no, by his power like that. So Buddha get in bleed only, but Sariputta a little bit, no, explain more. So such kind of Abhidhamma we are not learning now. This is Sariputta version, not Buddha version.
那佛陀向北托钵的时候呢，舍利弗尊者知道佛陀就是会过来，会在这个路径上，所以呢，每天舍利弗呢就会遇到佛陀，然后佛陀呢就给舍利弗说简要的阿毗达摩法，每天。那么舍利弗呢听完之后呢，每天听法之后，就对他的弟子再详细解说这个阿毗达摩的内容。所以我们现在听到的阿毗达摩是透过舍利弗尊者解说的阿毗达摩，真正佛所说的阿毗达摩，事实上我们是不知道的。
Yeah. So Buddha also completed Abhidhamma talk in Tawadesa, and Sariputta also already completed teaching to his 500 disciples in the human world the same day.
So okay, same day,
same day, same contents.
所以可以这样说，就是佛陀呢在教，这舍利佛跟佛陀呢就是同一天，佛陀是在对天人说的阿毗达摩，然后那个同一天呢，舍利佛也解说了对人间跟对这个弟子说了这个阿毗达摩。
So after giving Dhamma talk, Vidhamma Buddha also landed again tomorrow, the full moon day, no? Last full moon day of the UNG, no? At that time, this 500 disciples also attained Arahant after listening Dhamma talk from the Buddha. Vidhamma student, all Vidhamma student, 500 bhikkhu, all Vidhamma student attained Arahant.
So, and also
last day, yeah.
Also
Buddha landed to the tomorrow.
那佛陀说法之后呢？佛陀说完这个阿毗达摩之后呢，这个同时的那一天，这个500阿罗汉听闻这个舍利弗讲说阿毗达摩这些弟子们也证得阿罗汉，然后同时佛陀也就返回人间，都是在同时，而且也是满月日 ，so called Abhidhamma Day.
Yeah, they call Abhidhamma Day.
Which ones? 就是阿毗达摩日哦。
Yeah, this full moon day called Abhidhamma Day. No, because Buddha landed from Taodesa to Timor.
这个阿毗达摩日就是佛陀从忉利天回到人间，所以很殊胜哦。
Yeah. So we find that bhikkhu are all day as bhikkhu in the first day Buddha take off to the Taodesa. That day they are all day as bhikkhu. So they are 3 month bhikkhu only.
这些证悟的这个比丘呢，他们是在第一天听闻的时候就成为比丘，那么听完之后呢，就证阿罗汉果了。所以他们事实上是3个月的比丘的这个身份证的阿罗汉。
But they have parami. Kassapa Buddha time they are births. So they are just in the Kassapa Buddha time. So at that time, hearing the Abhidhamma talk, no, inside the cave, they find that bhikkhu are in the Kassapa Buddha time. They are not bhikkhu. They are births. So they are listening to the Abhidhamma talk. At that time, they don't understand. Just hearing the Abhidhamma chanting. This is also good parami, no?
那为什么这些比丘有这样殊胜的因缘呢？就是因为他们波罗蜜成就。他们波罗蜜呢，就是在迦叶佛的时候呢，他们是鸟。这500比丘过去世500生鸟，他们是听到是蝙蝠，他们是蝙蝠在洞里面，他们呢只是听到这个讲阿毗达摩的，他们并没有了解。可是因为这样的因缘呢，他们基本就是因缘成熟，可以在释迦牟尼佛的这一世呢，因为听到详细的阿毗达摩解理解，
Although not understand the meaning, just listening the Abhidhamma chanting, this also can get a lot of parami, right?
所以呢，虽然从这里面我们可以看了解，这些蝙蝠也不只是听声音，并不了解意思，就可以得到这样子的功德，然后可以得到这么殊胜的福报，只是听闻而已，只是听这个诵读的声音也一样有功德。
So therefore, in our Myanmar country, a lot of the Patana chanting ceremony. Pali only they chant. They listener mostly they don't understand, but they allow parami this also.
所以在缅甸呢，在各种庆时候呢，都有这个发丘的巴利的时候，那有的巴士，在那个巴士上面要5点到的时候，他们就放那个发丘的 ，also they prohibit me to talk.
Yeah.
然后他不准这个乘客说话，他们说现在来听发丘，全部安静听发丘，翻译者都不去。
Yeah, these are mindfulness power. Listening also mindfulness power, and also practicing also we need that mindfulness sati power.
所以这个 他确认的这个听闻或者理解修持，都是因为需要这个念的力量，才能够成就。
Okay, continue lah tonight. Continue. No, you finish mindfulness. Continue tonight, nah?
今天晚上7点会继续解说这个念。
Okay, share remember it.
要
Just Pali only.
分享的只有巴利文。
Idame punya asawakaya wa hotu. Idame punya nibbanasa pacayo hotu. Mama punya pagan sabha satana bhajime. Te sabe me sama punya bagan labantu sa tu sa du sadu 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 sadu. Okay. Leaving here, 7 o'clock I have to come back again.
7点再回来。
Yes.